In 1971, a group of scientists ventured deep into the Amazon, driven by a peculiar question: why is this vast forest called the lungs of the Earth? They discovered that the Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen, a staggering fact that left them in awe. But what truly astonished them was the forest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, acting as a natural air purifier. This revelation sparked global interest, leading to conservation efforts. Yet, as deforestation threatens this vital ecosystem, one must wonder, can we afford to lose our planet's lungs?